Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Pereznieto and today I want to give you some simple tips so that the quality of your line helps you define the lighting and the volume of the objects, and in this way that your art becomes richer. We begin by lightly sketching the head and the neck. We will do a sitting figure seen from the back. This time we will pay special attention on your stroke, on your mark. Try to make your lines smooth and in one go. Avoid double or scratchy lines. As you see, I'm doing the sketch pretty much in the same intensity, which is fairly light. At this stage, we make any corrections as needed, like on the leg and the position of the neck. That's better. Once I am happy with the sketch, I go back and give more intensity to some lines. The light is coming from the top left. So all the surfaces that are facing the top left will be a lot lighter. And as they turn away from the light, they will be darker and darker. So we leave the upper part of the legs light, but the lower we make it darker. The line can be darker and wider as well, while the ones in the light will be lighter and thinner, so much that sometimes we can even lose them. All the way down here, it is not only the farther place from the light, but also it is where the body rests on the ground. There we may have an accent. That is the darkest spot. Can you see how we start having some indication of the lighting and the volume just by doing the outline? I think this is a really great technique that most artists do not know or do not apply. I reinforce just a little bit more this accent, and then as a detail, let's also place the backbone. Very lightly so, just an indication. So it is very important that you have clean lines, not scratchy, and that you vary the thickness and darkness of them to make your drawings richer. Very good, it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, let me know what do you think of this technique, and subscribe to fine art tips. And I will see you on Tuesday.